Satin nickel finish, made from durable zinc alloy. Set includes 5 pieces: towel ring, standard toilet paper holder, 24-inch towel bar, 18-inch towel bar and robe hook. Max weight capacities range from 11 to 22 lbs, 5 to 10 kgs. Includes mounting screws, mounting brackets and drywall anchors. Installation requires 1/8 inch, 3.17 mm, slotted screwdriver, not included. The bathroom hardware set includes 3 to 5 pieces, a towel ring, toilet paper holder, and a 24-inch towel bar. Max weight capacities from 11 to 22 pounds. Built to last with durable zinc alloy, each piece is hand-finished to ensure a uniform look across all styles and hardware items. The Amazon Basics bathroom hardware is available in multiple finishes and styles to coordinate with your bathroom decor. The bathroom hardware set is easy to install and only requires a drill and a 1/8 inch, 3.17 mm, slotted screwdriver. Includes all required hardware. Top reviews from the United States. Surprisingly decent. Installed 2 sets of these in a rental property and the overall quality and look of this hardware was better than expected. It's not fancy, but the price was right for the intended application, and the quality did not disappoint. Installation was typical for bathroom hardware. Great for rental properties or in bathrooms where you're more concerned about cost than having on-trend hardware, but still want something that doesn't look cheap.